Okay guys, welcome to today's training, and today we shall be looking at how to create a subdomain, creating a subdomain in your primary domain. Okay, whenever you see something of this nature, you see this is what you can see this URL on my screen. This is a subdomain training.kcwebtechcentre.com.ng is a subdomain. Okay, so we shall be looking at creating a subdomain now. When you get to your cPanel, make sure you have a live domain and you are logged into your cPanel. But remember, all hosting company differs. In yours, when you search your subdomain, you will see yours. But in mine, I'm having domain here. Okay, so I'll just scroll down to domains. This domain. So this, I'll click on domain. I'll click on domain. Okay, so once I click on domain, the next thing for me to do is what? Create a new domain. Then this is a domain. I type the domain which I want to create. Click on blog.kcwebtechcentre.com.ng. okay, so this is the subdomain which I have to create. Remember, this kcwebtechcentre.com.ng is the primary domain. Now the subdomain is this blog. Okay, now the next thing for me to do is to submit. So you give it time to propagate itself. Okay guys, so it has shown successful. That means I have created this subdomain. So the next thing for me to do is to create a database for this subdomain. Okay, remember the primary domain came with a database from the hosting company. Now I want to create my database on this subdomain. Go back to my cPanel. Okay, in yours you'll be seeing my SQL, but in mine I'm having a database. So you see database, so I'll use manage my database. Then I'll give my database name blog. Okay, then create database. Now this database created, so please make sure you copy this database name down. Okay, copy it in a safe place. Okay, because you'll be needing it. DB name, you'll be needing it later on. Okay, then go back. So after creating database name, the next thing for you to do is to you add the user. Okay, maybe in blog again, then I'll generate a password for it. Either I put my normal password if I want to use password, or you generate password. Please make sure the password you are generating is unique and is what you can remember and you can use. Okay guys, so I'll be using this, and also copy it in a safe place. Okay, so I'll tick on this box that I have copied this password in a safe place, use. Then the next thing, create user. So you have successfully created database user. So this is the username. So I'll also copy this down in a safe place. So that is DB user. So I'll go back. Okay, just stay with me. So after you have done that, you have added them. So the next thing to do is to add user to the database. So find the database. This is the blog which I created. Okay, this is the blog. The database, that is the blog. Okay, so I add user. So I click on this, check on this box, all privileges. After clicking on that box, so you click on all privileges on the box, then scroll down, make changes. Okay, sources, you have you save these blogs privileges in database. So we are good to go. Okay, go back. So the next thing for us to do is to download our WordPress. WordPress.com.ng. Okay, what I enter? WordPress.org. This is WordPress. Okay, so this is WordPress. So the next thing for you to do is to what? Get WordPress and make sure you download it. You download WordPress. So I won't be downloading mine because I already have a download WordPress to use. Okay, guys. So go back to your cPanel. Then you come to your file manager. This is my file manager. Okay. Then you locate, this is the blog, right? This is the blog. You open the folder. Everything here is empty. Okay. So what you will be doing is to what? Upload. I want to install the blog here. Select file. Go to, it's already on my download. I have to find where I downloaded it. This is my WordPress. Okay. I click it, so you allow it to install. It's installing, so please give it time to install. Now it has finished installing. Please make sure yours is showing green. Okay. Once it's showing green, you go back to home. So this is the WordPress. So the next thing to do is to what? Right click it, extract, then extract files, then close. So this is the folder of the WordPress. So the next thing for you to do now, this is the WordPress. We want to move every files in this WordPress to our blog, to our subdomain. So I'll open it. So these are the files. Okay, guys, these are the files. So what to do is to what? Select all, then move. So you can see blog.kcwebtechcentre.com.ng/WordPress. So I will delete the WordPress, then move files. So everything has been moved. Now if I come back to my home, open my blog, you can see these are the files. Okay, so these are the files. Now since I'm inside this file, so I have to locate a file. I have to locate a file that is wp/config/sample.php. This is it. I'll right click on it. I have to rename it. Okay, I have to rename it, rename it to just wp-config. Remove this sample. Okay, config.php, then rename files. Okay, that is the file. This is it, that's been renamed. So I'll open it again. I'll click on edit. So those database and the password which I save, this is where I want to make use of them. So I have DB name. Look for my DB name. This is DB name. So please, once you copy, just make sure you copy the right thing. Okay, this is DB name. So I'll just paste database name here. Paste it. So the next thing is DB user. I'll copy the DB user. Copy DB user. This is the DB user. Paste it there. Then the next thing is the password. So I copy the password. Copy the password. Then save it. So the next thing is to what? Click save changes. So it has been saved successfully. So what to do next is to what? I've successfully created the database for this my WordPress. So what to do is to what? Open the blog, blog.kcwebtechcentre.com.ng. Okay, so this is the WordPress. So I install it. This is the complete installation. Then English, the title name I have to give it site title, that is blog, username, then password. You can use a password which you want to use. Okay, you use the password which you want to use. The email, you put your email there. The next thing to install WordPress. So initially, to show you this, okay, there has been a critical error in this website. Just refresh the page. Refresh your page. Yeah, already installed. Then log in. You log in. Then boom, your dashboard has been opened. So it means that we have successfully installed WordPress into our blog. These are subdomain. Okay, we now have a working blog. Now you can build your website from here free without any obstruction. Okay guys, so thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you love this video, if you love this tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us. Hit the like button, share, and make sure you hit the like button. And anytime we make a educational video, you always get a notification of such. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys.